Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are tackling a common struggle we all face: procrastination. At the end of the video, you have the right tips to conquer it and boost your productivity. Let's understand what procrastination is. Procrastination means postponing your energy, so you don't want to stress yourself. That is why we procrastinate. Here are the 5 tips to conquer this procrastination. The first is break tasks into bite-sized pieces. So one of the biggest way to overcome a big task is learn how to break them down. You have to break them down. You have to break down your to-do list into smaller and manageable steps to make progress more achievable. So if you are trying to solve a big problem, then you can try to break them down into some subsections. So when you finish this subsection, you take a little break, you still come back to this subsection. Because if you are trying to tackle everything at once, you won't be able to complete. The second tip is set clear goals and deadlines. So setting clear goals and deadlines create a roadmap for your tasks. So you should set a little and small goals apart from the big goals you're having. Setting small clear goals and making sure you meet these goals, then conquer procrastination. The third tip is find your productive peak. So we all have a golden hour when we are most productive, so you have to identify these peak times and schedule your most challenging tasks during this period. So whether you are much productive in the morning or in the afternoon, mostly people are much productive from 6 o'clock or 4 o'clock to 12 o'clock or late like 2 o'clock. So that's when most people are more productive. So if you have not discovered the time you are more productive, then you should try to see between these times that I've mentioned. Try to think of which time am I more productive. So that is how you can tackle a challenging task. The fifth one is embrace the 2 minutes rule. There's a 2 minutes rule which says that anytime you have a small task that doesn't take less than 2 minutes to complete, then you should complete it immediately. You don't have to add it to your other tasks which you are going to do later. So tackle it immediately. Try to complete it immediately. That is the 2 minutes rule. The fifth and the most important tips is taking a reward. Reward yourself for completing tasks. After completing each task, either it's small or large, you try and reward yourself. You have done a lot, so this helps you in creating a positive association with productivity, and this will help you to break the procrastination cycle. And the purpose of this video is breaking procrastination, how we can overcome procrastination. So this last tips is very helpful. You have to reward yourself after completing each task. So these are the very important tips for overcoming procrastination. I know these tips will be helpful. Video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on productivity. Now let's go conquer these to-dos together. Thanks for watching.